UP Heritage 6 here. That's how it's pronounced. If you guys want to see what happens when you meet a nice BNSF or Union Pacific engineer, in this case it was a BNSF engineer. You possibly get one of these. The timetable from Union Pacific. Here's a slow reader. Look at this. This is actually the front. Back. Anyway, it's the Denver area from 2009, November 16th. A specific day. I guess they came up with these came from day to day. I don't know. So let me get to one of the cool things of the North Yard. That's the map of the North Yard. My grandpa worked there. And some of you guys, if you're local there, I want to tell you something. And for UP lovers, yay! Their 150th anniversary is coming July 1st. Hold on a momento. Yeah. Why not? Why? What's wrong with it? Huh? Yeah. So, their 150th, I would suggest taking in a cake and cupcakes or something like that. Have it say happy 150th Union Pacific UP or something, taking an image to King Soopers. They could put the image on the cake. And, yeah. This is what you get when you meet a nice train engineer. BNSF or UP. You never know, but what railroad? Most likely UP though. If they're nice, they won't give the one of that day or that year. For safety reasons after 9/11, they don't care about rail fans. Screw rail fans. Hate them. You know? Well, UP Heritage 6 out.